GMC YUKON. It's a 5.3. So today I'm working on, I'm gonna replace the wheel bearings. As you can see, so we're gonna replace the wheel bearing, and also wanna make sure the brake is the rotor is good. If not, we're gonna replace it too. So okay, so let's start it. So to remove the wheel studs, we need a 22 or 7/8, and in this case we got a special key, so a 22. Okay, so now we're going to remove the caliper. So for those bolts we're going to need 19 millimeter. All right, so so I got this hook ready just to put on the side, and as you can see, remove the brake pads. Okay, so remember, so this one is on the rear. Okay, so now we're going to remove the bracket. I guess it's 19.2. So we're gonna move a little bit this one on the top to the other side better. All right, so put it right here. Remove. So it's number 19 too. So okay. This one. I'm holding the bracket. So now we remove this one too, so you can see that. So we're going to remove this one, so we're going to use a 36. So okay. So we're going to put the nut on the right here. There we go. So we're going to remove the sensor, the ABS sensor, the speed sensor with 5. Alright, so we're gonna need a 5mm. Go right there. Try to remove the sensor. Slow. Really slow, and we can use this one right here, really slow. There you go. And we'll make sure it's okay. Right. And now we're going to remove these bolts. We got 3, 1, 2, and 3 right there. So that's number 15. 15. So, all right. So we're gonna get. I think we're gonna use a brake bar now. So it's number 15. We're gonna use this one and 14 and 15. Okay. Here we go. And we're gonna turn the wheel to this side. There you go. So now I want to use a swivel. we went to the other side. We're gonna turn the wheel. All right. There you go. I put a mark here to remember. All right. So here's our. Okay, so as you can see here, we need to remove this piece right here. Okay. There you go. And we need to clean this area here with a water brush or so I got this one, a small water brush. We're gonna clean it really good. Alright. Really good. Okay. Okay, so I want to clean it and I'll be right back. Okay. So we're going to use a little bit of brake cleaner. We're going to clean this area right here, down here, and down here. Okay. You can see it looks clean now. So we're gonna add a little bit of grease here. This one, the high temp grease. So we're gonna add just a little bit around it. Okay. So now I got the part right here. This one we get it from from O'Reilly. So the port number is 515096 precision. This one, so I always use this one, and they're really good hubs. This one, so it already comes with a sensor, so we're going to remove the sensor. Okay. So the bolts right here, we're gonna torque 133 foot-pounds. Okay. So it says tile here. Tighten the wheel hub to knuckle bolts 133 foot-pounds. Okay. And for the CV axle, we're going to torque at, let's see, right here. So we're going to 177 foot-pounds. Okay, so the knuckle bolts 133. All right, so this one done like this. I put the shield. It goes like this. Remove this sensor here. All right, so I got. All right, they're right here. So we're gonna put the washer and the nut. Okay. Try to line it up. There we go. Okay. And this one. In the back. Okay. I'm gonna use this one slow. Okay. There you go. All right, so we want to torque at 133 foot-pounds. I got 133 foot-pounds. So we're gonna use a 15. Okay. There you go. Okay. This one. Sorry, guys. Two. This one. And three. All right. So, okay. Okay, so I decided to put a new one, a new rotor, because this one is really damaged. Okay. So, and I called the customer and they say, go ahead, do it. So We also are going to replace the brake pads too. Now I'm going to replace the brake pads, the brake bracket, and I'll be right back with you guys. The thing is, make sure this one got really lubrication. So, and I put the new hardware on the bracket. All right, so remember this one is number 19. So okay, so we're gonna grab a Phillips, so we're gonna put it right here between there. Going to tighten it up. Okay, so remember we're gonna torque this one at 170. So get a 177. There we go. Okay, so never use air gun. You always use a torque wrench. Okay. So also got my brake pads. Remember, this one with the extra metal here goes on the back, right here. Okay. And the other ones. And the regular ones goes on the front one, on the front. Okay. See. Okay, extra metal on the back and no metal on the here. Okay. All right, guys. So I think that's it. So the only thing I have left is I'm just gonna put the caliper back. I'm gonna put the pistons back. I'm gonna reconnect the ABS sensor. Right, guys. So we just disconnect here, and that's it. All right. All right. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.